Thank you for taking the time to view this lovely Polo here at Redditch Volkswagen, part of the Trust Group Approved programme. This is the Match Edition specification. Comes with a 1 litre petrol engine, it's 75 brake horsepower, 5-speed manual with a traditional handbrake, and it's finished in the Nimbus grey metallic paint. The Match Edition was the final specification before they launched the new Polo in 2018. It has so many features and functions. You have front and rear parking sensors, silver alloy wheels, spare wheel, variable boot floor, black and grey cloth upholstery throughout, 5-seater vehicle with ISOFIX points in the rear. Of course, this is the 3-door specification, which is no longer available in the new Polo. You have the touchscreen infotainment unit, including App Connect, turning your compatible smartphone into things such like satellite navigation, or for basic necessities like streaming music. You also have digital radio, phone Bluetooth and various media connections, air conditioning, 12-volt socket, USB and aux in, multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. And as you can see, the mileage on this car, only 20,494 miles. This car also comes with auto lights, wipers, electric, foldable heated mirrors and so much more. So to find out about this great vehicle and book your test drive today, call the sales team. It's 01527 88 3300, or alternatively please submit your inquiry via online.